Hello, my name is Spencer Ryan.
Привет, меня зовут Olga.
I'm Hanssen.
Hi, my name is Andre Hoffmann.
Hi, my name's Emma.
My name is Kate Hanssen.
My name is Katie.
Matt Knowles.
My name is Nick.
Hi, I'm Orlagh.
Mein Name ist Pascal Keller.
Hey, my name is Peteris.
This year I am grateful for having R&D products because being in a lockdown, I've been able to build up my electronic equipment lab again, which is a good thing.
And this year, I'm thankful for the greatest view that I enjoy during my lunch breaks while working from home and despite any weather.
And this year, again, I'm very grateful for my team, how they have been operating during these COVID times.
This year, in these crazy times, I'm thankful for my great family and my employees, which supports my success in leading the German side a lot.
And I'm thankful this year for the knowledge that everybody in this world still wants to help each other.
This year I'm most grateful for having great colleagues whom we've been able to support each other. Oh yes, and the view behind me.
And this year I'm thankful for remote working, meaning I can be a more present mum, dropping my boys off at school more and picking them up, and having a better work-life balance.
And the one thing I'm thankful for this year is our brilliant logistics warehousing network in both the CDC and Nenecon, who despite COVID have done an amazing job of getting orders out to the customer all through the year. So a massive thank you to you guys.
And this year I'm incredibly grateful for the time I've got to spend with this little one.
And I'm thankful for my health and my family and all the time we've had together over this crazy year.
Ich bin sehr dankbar für den Support von meiner Familie das ganze Jahr und schlussendlich auch für den sehr interessanten Job von der Firma Distrelec, den ich machen darf, und freue mich aufs nächste Jahr.
This year, I'm thankful for my baby daughter Yasmin coming into this life.